Forward, yeah, that's it. What's your fuel like? Oh, cool. G'day YouTube viewer, g'day bikers, out for a ride with Riding Hood on her Burgman 200 today, and I'm riding her GB350 from Honda. So we've got a Suzuki and a Honda, and I'm just going to take her on some roads she hasn't been on before, just to get her confidence back up. She hasn't ridden this bike much yet since her fall. She's just wanting to get confidence back up on her 200cc scooter and then make the transition across to this once she feels comfortable. But she's growing in confidence a little bit more each time we ride, so it shouldn't be too long. Okay, I'm going to go through first. Check it's not slippery. If it's okay, I'll get off the bike and I'll wave you through and I'll watch. And there might be two of these, I think. This is the smaller one. But if it's slippery, I'll say stop. Stay, yeah. Come on. Very good. Best thing, just don't hit the brakes as you're going across, particularly the front one. So just go slow and just maintain your speed. Very good. You okay? Yep. So we're going to turn around and go through. Do you want to, once you get through, stop, hop off and just film me with your phone coming through? Okay, we'll just film Riding Hood going through the running water. She came through the other way really well. Let's see how she goes this time. Going back. Very good. Last time I went up there, I won't make you do that. You enjoying this? Are you enjoying this? Is it okay? Okay, I'll just take you on 2 little other roads and then we'll go back. Okay. So if you need to brake going down here because it's reasonably steep, use your back brake, not your front.
The back brake?
Yeah. Only use your brake if you only use your front if you need to use it as well.
Yeah.
But back brake should be fine. If you need to, well, I'll only go slow anyway.
Oh, okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the worst of it now. I ran out of batteries just after this, but Riding Hood did 2 more roads, none as steep as this one, a few more tight turns though that she had to negotiate, but at the end of it she said she had a really good time and is looking forward to the next ride. This video was slightly different to what I normally do. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and a like so that I know to do more like this. And if you haven't subscribed already and would like to see more videos from this channel and be alerted to them, please think about giving me a subscription. Would love for you to join me on future journeys. And in the meantime, have a great day and happy motorcycling.